Windows 7 2026 was the last version people truly loved. Clean design, fast response, no unnecessary clutter. But modern apps and security moved on. Windows 7 2026 Edition V2 brings that experience back using the Tiny 11 base. The classic interface returns, now with modern support, full updates, and zero bloat. Hi, this is Neil from Epidus. Let's start. You begin by generating Windows 7 Remastered using the Tiny 11 Creator. Open the Creator from our official website. You will find the link in the pinned comment. Once the Creator launches, press Build and allow the tool to prepare the installer automatically. If you prefer not to build it yourself, you can also obtain the ready installer from our website. You might wonder why we use the Tiny 11 Creator for this. Windows 7 Remastered is built on the Tiny 11 foundation. That base allows the system to run modern applications while remaining faster than stock Windows 11. At the same time, you still get the classic Windows 7 interface, sounds, and overall experience. This V2 release introduces a cleaner system, the latest 25H2 updates, multiple bug fixes, and improved performance compared to the previous version. Make sure you are using a genuine Windows license, because we only support clean installations. The build time will vary depending on your internet speed and system hardware. Also remember, never install custom OS builds from random websites. Many of them contain spyware or hidden keyloggers designed to capture your data. Our official site is the only safe source. Use either the Creator or the official installer provided by us. When the process finishes, the log will display, "Build finished successfully." That message confirms the installer is ready. Next, we move to Zeno. Zeno is a small tool included in the package that allows you to install Windows 7 without creating a bootable USB. Open Zeno and select the Windows 7 installer you generated earlier. Then choose the drive where you want the system installed. Make sure that drive contains no important files because it will be formatted during the installation. Set the file system to NTFS, confirm your selection, and let Zeno complete the process. Within a few minutes, the installation will finish. Restart your computer and you should see a dual boot option for Windows 7. If it does not appear automatically, you can add the entry manually using tools such as EasyBCD or Visual BCD. That completes the installation using Zeno. No USB drive and no complicated preparation required. If Zeno does not work for your setup, or you prefer a traditional method, you can install using Rufus. Connect a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space and ensure it does not contain important files because the process will erase it. Open Rufus, select the Windows 7 installer, choose the USB drive, and start the build. This usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your USB speed and system performance. Once it finishes, you will have a bootable Windows 7 USB. Restart the computer and press the boot menu key. Most devices use F12, F8, or Escape. If you are unsure which key your system uses, a quick search for your laptop or motherboard model will give the answer. After selecting the USB device, the Windows 7 setup will start automatically. Choose your region, time, and currency format, and enter your license key if you have one. You will then reach the drive selection screen. Check the drive carefully before installing because the chosen disk will be overwritten. If you prefer another language, you can change it later from the system settings. Once installation completes, Windows 7 boots directly to the desktop in a clean state. If you are currently running Windows 11 and simply want a quick performance boost without reinstalling the operating system, you can use our application Velotic. It converts a standard Windows installation into a Tiny 11-style system in just a few clicks. Your PC speed shapes how you feel when you sit down to work or play. Velotic is not a cleaner. It is control. You turn it on, and your system stops fighting you. Games feel smoother. Apps open faster. Stutters disappear. Your PC stays fast every day, not just after a cleanup. Velotic tunes your CPU and GPU automatically, based on what you are doing. It removes junk before it slows you down. It kills hidden background drains in real time, without breaking Windows. You get 500+ professional tweaks. One-click debloat. No guessing. Instant app installs. No setup pain. Smart power control that shifts between performance and stability when you need it. You free massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay intact. Your system breathes again. This is not a temporary fix. This is the same approach used by people who depend on stable, fast machines every day. Built over 4 years, used by thousands, improved with every release. You install once, you stop thinking about performance forever. The basic plan starts at just $19.99 lifetime access. Velotic, for people who refuse to tolerate a slow PC. Now comes the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic. Go to the debloat page. Press play. The tool takes over from here. With a single click, your system reaches Tiny 11 level performance. No file loss, no broken features. Everything runs on your existing setup. If you want the full breakdown, tap the info button. You can also find the complete guide through the link in the description. After Windows 7 Remastered finishes installing, open the Configure app and enable compression. This reduces disk usage by nearly half. The process takes around 30 minutes, so you may want to take a short break while it completes. When it finishes, you will see the full Windows 7 2026 edition running on the Tiny 1125 H2 base. You still have Windows Defender, the Microsoft Store, and working Windows updates, all within a system that occupies roughly 7 gigabytes. A normal Windows installation often consumes 40 gigabytes or more before you install any programs. This build delivers the same core functionality in a much smaller footprint. Now that the installation is complete, you can connect to the internet. Open the Configure app and select the browser you want to install. I am choosing Chrome, but you can also install Edge, Opera, or Firefox. You are no longer forced to use Edge. Tell me in the comments which browser you prefer. I rate all of them. Chrome installs within seconds using a fully automated one-click process. After you're online, visit my YouTube channel and our partner channel, and subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. You will also find a link to our Discord server in the description. Join the community to talk with other users, receive support, and preview upcoming builds before they are released. If you encounter random crashes or memory errors, there is a quick fix. Open the Configure app, enable paging files, and restart the computer. This resolves most stability issues. Paging files remain disabled by default to keep the system small, but enabling them gives the system additional memory space and greatly improves stability. Next, we move to drivers. Drivers manage graphics, audio, networking, input devices, and other hardware components. Tiny 11 simplifies the driver installation process. You do not need to search random websites or deal with complicated installers. Open the Configure app and click Install Drivers. You can select individual drivers or press Install All. Do you need drivers? If you play games or edit videos, you definitely need your graphics drivers. Laptop drivers control the touchpad, touchscreen, and function keys. Desktop drivers enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, audio, and power features. Once the drivers are installed, the system runs exactly as intended, clean, responsive, and ready for everyday use. We also included a small widget pack. This allows you to install classic Windows 7 gadgets and customize them. They are not pre-installed, so you can decide whether you want them. With Windows 7 Remastered, you get a safe and reliable system that improves Windows performance because it runs on our premium Tiny 11 base. Tools like Revert 8 or random theme packs often modify system files in unsafe ways. They can slow your system, break features, or even expose you to malware. Here you are paying for convenience and security. You receive a clean build that installs easily and works immediately. You get the Windows 7 look without unsafe hacks. You gain better speed, lower resource usage, and compatibility with modern software. You save time. You avoid unnecessary problems. And most importantly, you keep your data safe. Thanks for watching. This is Apitas, signing off.